Breaking news today as the Outsourcing Facilities Association, representing 503B compounders, has filed an appeal in the Fifth Circuit court system over the legal battle with compound tirzepatide. On Friday, the court basically said that the court was going to move forward with a summary judgment. This means that both sides will have to file their motions by March 21st, their responses to the filed motions by April 11th, and their replies by April 18th, at which point I think we're probably going to have a judgment very soon in this case, and it's likely not to go the way of the OFA. We've been paying very close attention to this. It's been very clear that the judge in this case wants this out of his court, and so not wasting a minute, the OFA has already filed an appeal with the Fifth Circuit court system. Now, the Fifth Circuit's going to move a lot slower than the district court moved, and this does not really do a whole lot to protect 503B compounds in the meantime. Now, this is where I'm curious to hear from those of you using compounded tirzepatide. Is the telehealth that you're working with offering custom dosages, custom formulations? Or are they going to just shut down compound tirzepatide altogether? One thing is for certain, whatever anybody is doing, the unknown is what Eli Lilly will do in response to that. Now, of course, custom dosing, custom formulation, totally permissible under the 503A code of the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. But the estimates are that last year, over 30 million prescriptions for compounded tirzepatide were filled in the United States, with the bulk of those coming from 503B pharmacies. Those would have been primarily copies of the branded version in the same doses. So doctors suddenly switching patients over to something that would otherwise precipitate a medical need is going to be challenged and contested for sure, likely by the FDA. What's your telehealth company doing? I'm curious to know how everybody's sort of responding to this. And of course, we'll stay on top of this. Like, save, share, send to a friend. Make sure you follow for more. There's a whole article at onthepen.com all about what we just talked about.